Let me show you how to make this delicious pumpkin hummus. This is a perfect recipe to use up pumpkin puree that you may have left over from other baking projects. I always write out all of the ingredients and measurements in the description below the video, but to make it extra easy for you, let's just walk through the ingredient list and measurements right now. First up, we need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, or about 1.5 cups of cooked chickpeas. For that, you can also watch my video of how to make homemade chickpeas in the pressure cooker. Drain the chickpeas, but be sure to reserve a little bit of the liquid, or otherwise you can also use just plain water. Then we need 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. This is perfect for when you're making my pumpkin muffins or pumpkin breakfast cookies. Since none of them use a whole can of pumpkin puree, you can use the leftovers here in this hummus. Then we need 1 fresh garlic clove, or 3 to 5 if you're using roasted garlic. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, freshly squeezed is always so much better. 1/4 cup of tahini, store-bought or homemade. I'm linking my recipe in the description below. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now for the spices. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, cayenne pepper, and a dash of allspice. This really complements the pumpkin flavors so well. And now we're going to add all of these ingredients to a food processor. Most regular blenders will have a hard time making hummus because of its thick consistency, but if you have a high-speed blender with a tamper that continuously pushes the ingredients down towards the blades, then you can also make hummus with that. Add everything from the chickpeas to the spices. Except for the chickpea liquid, reserve that, and we're only going to add as much as needed. Once the food processor gets going, you will start to see the consistency of the hummus and whether it needs any extra liquid and how much. I just add 1 tablespoon at a time and then keep an eye on things. Also be sure to stop the food processor once in a while and scrape down the sides with the spatula to make sure that everything gets evenly incorporated. And then blend a bit more and look at this beautiful consistency. At this point, give it a quick taste test and adjust some of the seasonings if needed. And then we're ready to plate. Add all of the hummus to a serving bowl or a storage container. When I'm serving the hummus, I like to kind of smooth out the top with the back of a spoon and create some grooves. Into those, I'm drizzling a bit more olive oil, and then I top everything with some toasted pumpkin seeds. I think the seeds work so well with the pumpkin flavor. You can also leave it plain or sprinkle with some za'atar seasoning or dust with a bit more paprika powder. And we're ready to enjoy our delicious creamy pumpkin hummus. Thank you guys so much for watching and cooking along with me. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. This really helps my channel so much. And I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.